Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make noodles in an electric rice cooker. It's super easy and you will have a delicious meal in on time. So guys, first thing first, fill your rice cooker with water and turn it on while the water is heating up. Grab your noodles and break them in half so they fit in the cooker. Once the water is boiling, and add your noodles and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick stir to make sure all the noodles are submerged in the water. And now here's a little trick to prevent the noodles from sticking together. Add a tablespoon of oil to the water. This will also give your noodles a nice texture. Let the noodles cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they are all dent. Check on them occasionally and give them a stir to make sure they are cooking evenly. Once they are done, turn off the rice cooker and drain the water using a colander and rinse the noodles under cold water to stop them from cooking any further. And that's it, your delicious noodles you are ready to be served. You can add some sauce or seasoning of your choice to give them some extra flavor. See how easy that was. Making noodles is an electric rice cooker is a game changer for quick and easy meals. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspires you is my passion, and I am grateful for this opportunity to do what I love every day. Whether you have been following me from the beginnings or just recently discovered my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am committed to bringing you the best best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredible valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for watching and support. It means more than words can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that bringing joy and inspirations to your life. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.